A baseball diamond is 90 feet square, not 90 square feet. Mike Trout runs from first base to second base at 25 feet per second. How fast is he moving away from home plate when he is 30 feet from first base? All right, so they tell us that a baseball diamond is a 90-foot square, so the bases are 90 feet apart. So I'm going to put in a right angle symbol at first base here, and I'm going to label from home plate to first base X, from first base to second base Y, and then that distance from home plate to the location where the runner is at, I'm going to label that Z. So what's our relationship? So we have Pythagorean's theorem, so we have x squared plus y squared is equal to z squared. The runner has already run 90 feet, so that's not going to change. He's past first base, so 90 is going to be a constant. So I'm going to replace the x by 90, the distance from home to first. So to get my rates involved, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the derivative implicitly. So the derivative of 90 squared is a constant, so that's 0. The derivative of y squared with respect to t would be 2y dy dt is equal to the derivative of z squared with respect to t would be 2z dz dt. All right, so if we divide both sides by 2, we're going to get y dy dt is equal to z dz dt. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sub in my y and my dy dt. So the runner is 30 feet from first base, so the y is 30. The rate at which they're running from first base to second base, my dy dt is 25. And now I need to figure out what z is. So they don't give us z, that distance. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Pythagorean's theorem. Given that x is 90, y is 30, and we have a right triangle, so z would be the square root of 9,000. So we would get the square root of 9,000 dz dt. 30 times 25 is 750, so we have 750 is equal to square root of 9,000 dz dt. So to finish this, we would, solving for dz dt, we would divide both sides by the square root of 9,000, and then we would get the answer of 7.9 feet per second is equal to dz dt. All right, I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.